Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we are diving into something that we all struggle with, which is making progress in our goals. We set them, we get excited with them, and then life happens, we seem to stall. But don't worry, because I'm going to share some practical strategies to keep moving forward consistently. But let's face it, we all have been there. You have a vision, a dream, a goal, but then the actual progress? It feels like climbing a never-ending staircase. So let's break it down. How to actually get things done. First things first, stop starting at the mountain. Big goals can be overwhelming. Instead, breaking them down into smaller, manageable tasks. Think about it like building a house. You don't start by the roof, you start by the foundation. For example, if your goal is to write a book, don't say just write a book. Say, I'm going to write 500 words today. Small wins build momentum. If it's not scheduled, it's not real. Block out time in your calendar specifically for working on your goals. Treat them like an important appointment. Use a digital calendar, a physical planner, whatever works for you, but make them visible and make it not negotiable. This adds structure. What gets measured gets managed. Keep a record on your progress. This could be a simple checklist, a spreadsheet, or a dedicated app. Seeing your progress, even in small steps, provides a huge boost of motivation. It's tangible proof that you are moving forward. Don't wait for the big milestones to celebrate. Acknowledge and celebrate every small step, every small win along the way. Did you write those 500 words today? Let's celebrate it. Did you write that chapter? Let's celebrate it. This reinforces positive habits and keeps you motivated. It's not about being extravagant, it's about acknowledging your effort. Life isn't linear and neither is progress. Be prepared to adjust your plan as needed. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to change course. Flexibility is key. Don't get stuck on a rigid plan that's no longer servicing you. Learn from step backs and adapt. Having someone to hold you accountable can make a world of difference. This could be a friend, a mentor, or even an online community. Sharing your goals and progress with others creates a sense of responsibility and can provide valuable support. Progress is about consistency, not perfection. Don't let the fear of being perfect stop you from taking action. Small, consistent steps will always beat sporadic bursts of effort. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So there you have it, practical steps to help you make real progress on your goals. Remember, it's about breaking things down. Scheduling, tracking, celebrating, adapting, finding accountability and focusing on consistency. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips like this on productivity and leave a comment below sharing your biggest goal. As always, thanks for watching.